Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today is another day of learn how to draw with Yahya. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can make a block with that has a UE flag. So basically it's you can make the UE flag block. Now this is very nice. It's a very nice block and you can do lots of things with it, meaning you can take a picture of it, or you can save it um, to your files and so much more. And the UV block looks amazing, and for those of you who are in UAE, this must be amazing for you. So let's start. The first thing you have to do is just open a new tab. Okay, let me open a new tab and just type the word tinker. Now the spelling is Tynker, and if you want you can simply just type .com, but you can also just type tinker and press enter, and then right here you will see tinker coding for kids. So just click on it, and as soon as you click it, you will be loaded here to the desktop or the dashboard, sorry, and a pop-up might come. You can just ignore it, or you can see what it is. So just go to my projects, and as you can see I have already made the UE flag. So in this video I'll be showing you how to make the UE flag block. So let's go, and you'll see actually wait, click create a new project, and then just scroll down or simply click Minecraft and then do create block. As soon as you go there, go to scroll down until you see hardened clay. You can actually choose anything, but it's just better to use this. So now let's start. Now for those of you who want to see the UE block first and then start making it, here is the UE block. Okay, here's how you make it, and you don't have to make every single side, meaning you have to make the UE flag here and then make it here and then here. No, it's just like you make the flag here and then it does the same automatically to all the sides of the square. So let's go back to the hardened clay area and let's start. First of all, you can take any color and just make a border, and then you can take the color white. Just go click this button and take pure white, or yeah, just take pure white, and then you can give me a second. Yeah, just make a border and then keep do like this. Yeah, and keep use the bucket option, and then just hover your mouse or whatever thing you're using to make the block over the hardened clay or the block you're using, and just quickly wipe everything out. Now you can see that everything is basically, now there's nothing, but actually there is something, but you just can't see it. Now that is going to be very hard to work with. So what you do, just take a slightly gray, a very light gray, and just click once so that your block becomes very light gray, and there you have it. You have your block of gray color. Now let's start on the UE flag. Now first things first, what you'll have to do, click this button, go to red, which is this, and you can take a slightly dark red and then just go 5 blocks here. What I mean is first choose the pen icon and then do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me zoom it in. Yeah, and then just make a line like this and another line here, and then you can take the bucket and boom, you have it. So then what you do is you can look at the UE flag again, and then you can start to take the green color. Just take the green color right here and just a bit dark. and let's do it like this, and we'll do it till there. I'm sorry, not till there. Okay, we'll do this much. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, and we'll use the bucket to do it quickly. And there you have the green color. Now we'll take the black and go here and just click into the corner. This might be hard for you, but you can just click into the corner and then do this. Okay, and then 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, just do that and boom! There you have the UE flag block. And there you have it. We've made the block right now. And as you can see, all the sides have the UE flag and we did not do anything. That is actually very nice because you don't have to go to each side and then make it and then, all the rest. So here you have it, the UE flag right in front of your eyes. Now, if you want, you can also make any other flag, whichever you want. But in this video, I showed you how to make the UE flag. So now what? Now you might just think, yay, I made the flag. Now let's go back. No, don't do that, because as soon as you click this button, you're gonna lose your project. This is called a project, okay? So you're gonna lose your project, and that's not good because you'll have to make it all over again. And this might be a bit sad if you're working on something huge, like you're making something new. That will be not nice. So I'm gonna show you how to save it. Now over here you can see it's written hardened clay dash something, and you can see this cloud. So first of all, just go here and you can write UAE. Oops, sorry. Yeah, UE flag block. Let's just write the word block, and yeah, you can name it. And then okay, and then you'll see this thing where my mouse is right now. Just click it, okay, and your project will become like that, and then it'll say install in Minecraft. If you want to install this block in Minecraft, you can follow the instructions right here. It's a bit complicated, so I won't go into that topic right now because you can only do this in a Minecraft Windows 10 edition, and it's very complicated, so we won't go in that topic. All you have to do is just click the cloud button, and as soon as this pop-up comes, you can just click the cross and then just click the arrow, and boom, you have the UE flag block. Now this may look a bit weird, so what you can actually do, move it like this and then go back. Okay, let's see now. Oops, sorry, didn't happen yet. Yeah, we'll do it like this, and oh, okay, so it looks like we cannot move it, so your project will appear like this, and there you have it. That is the UE flag block, and as you can see, I've already made one over here, and I made lots of other projects such as a new kind of TNT. I made the Mega Enderman boss. Okay, I made it up, so it's not a real thing in Minecraft. Then we have the finder icon, which is in Apple, and then I made this thing up called the unbeatable Mega Wither. It looks really nice. And then you have pixelated earth and another UE block made in JavaScript. Now, if you want to make something in JavaScript, it's super easy. Just go and create a new project. Go in Minecraft, create block, and over here you'll see a small bubble. Just click it, and there you have it. So I can make the UE flag again if you want. I'll try to make it as fast as I can. So the whole interface is actually very different, you can say. And if you want to move, and don't worry, don't get scared, oops, sorry. If you want to move your block, you can actually click this and do it like that. Or what you have to do, you cannot do it like this from a far area. You have to do it very close to the block, and I don't think you can zoom in other than double clicking or doing command plus, which is not a good zooming in option. Let me see. No, we cannot zoom in. So apart from that, everything is actually very nice. But yeah, so I can make the UE flag again. Oops, sorry. Yeah, I'll just make it again very quickly so you don't have to wait. You can see me making it again. Bismillah. We'll take the black now. Okay, you can see the UE flag again. Okay, just put the black. Okay, Bismillah. And then we'll take the gray. We'll actually make it right over here. Yeah, and then we can fill that out. And we can use this also. And now we'll take the green. Most of the basic colors are already there in the JavaScript version, but in the other version you have to pick them out yourself. So here we have it. We have the UE flag right here, the UE flag block, one more. So as you can see, you can say if you want to save it, you just have to save item here, and you can actually position it in whatever position you want. I'll put it in this position so it gets a nice 3D type of look. Let me see. Yeah, no, wait. Yeah, exactly like that. And then we can actually put the name, that is UAE. Oops, sorry, I forgot the capitals. UAE block. We can simply call it that, and then you can just wait, let me just make this capital so it looks nice, and just do save item. Okay, and then it will automatically go here, and boom, you have the UE block in JavaScript. Yeah, so this brings us to the end of the video. I hope you liked it, and I hope you subscribe to my channel, like this video, and if you want, you can also comment to this video, and don't forget to share this video to your friends and family. So this will bring us to the end of the video, and